Hey creeps, what's up? Okay, so on today's video, I'm gonna be doing the first, I'm excited. I'll be doing the first character of the Tim Burton characters today. Today's character is Beetlejuice. Literally one of my favorite movies in existence. It's not just one of my favorite Halloween movies, it's one of my favorite movies, period. But it is like, it's tied for my favorite Halloween movie alongside Hocus Pocus. Beetlejuice might be a winner though. This shouldn't take me very long at all. At least I don't think it should take me very long. I mean, I've done Beetlejuice 3 times now. This would be a 4th time, but really this time I'm just recreating what I did a couple months ago on TikTok. I'll post some of my TikToks at the end of this video. And I've done Beetlejuice so many times, repeatedly, because his character is kind of like precious to me in a way, and I keep revisiting him. Like, I don't know why I really keep revisiting him, but I keep revisiting him. And this actually makes exactly 10 years this year since the first time I did him. It was the first time I actually picked a character and then did my own thing with that character. And every single time I do it, I change it up just so that I'm not doing the same exact thing. Although this time I will be recreating the thing that I did last time because I completely actually forgot that I included Beetlejuice in one of my, to be part of my YouTube series this year. So yeah, I'm just gonna recreate what I did a couple months ago now for the video's sake. And yeah, next time I do Beetlejuice, I'll come up with a completely different concept. For the time being though, I guess I'll just let pictures of my past Beetlejuice-ness pop up right here. I mean, clearly I don't like Beetlejuice. Not at all. I'm really gonna start now, but real quick, I think we need a change of scenery. And no, I don't mean the net. I mean, wear something black. That's better, I think. I think it fits the mood perfectly. Wait, there's one more thing we gotta do. That's better. Can't do Beetlejuice without some green hair. We already upgraded ourselves in this video. We was looking rough just a minute ago. So I think it's about that time that we make ourselves look dead.
Hey folks, begging your pardon. Excuse me, sorry to barge in. Now let's skip the tears and start on the whole, you know, being dead thing.
My brows are already done, so we're gonna skip that.
It's showtime.
Hello, creeps! Welcome back to another cringy AF voiceover. Hang tight, bear with me. The first thing you're gonna want to do to achieve this look is to grab the Charles Artistry Palette by Morphe. You're gonna want to dip your brush into that purple shade at the bottom called Escape and cover both eyelids in it completely. And get ready for this, we are going to be cutting our crease. So get that concealer out and make it sharp. So this next step is completely optional. You do not have to use a white cream pencil, but I wanted to just to set it as a base underneath our white eyeshadow shade, which is Flashback. I just wanted to make sure that everything was going to be completely stark white and covered up. I'm just having so much fun right now. The video is probably very uneventful at the moment, but I'm having fun because I just genuinely enjoy doing his makeup, okay? Living my best life! Moving on. Now it's time for the fun part, creating the iconic Beetlejuice stripes. Be as creative as you want. You don't have to do it exactly like mine. I change mine up literally every single time I do it. Throw some green in there later, I think. That is concerning. I heard a noise and it was an impossible noise. In the words of Mikey, a ghost. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Beetlejuice? Beetlejuice?
Beetlejuice.
Yes.
Beetlejuice.
Yes. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Because you're so smart, a stand-up role. I'll think about your offer, let you know.
Nah. Now it's time for the hard part. Creating those stripes, again, on your wing.
Work all night and a drink a rum.
Clean up any mistakes by going back over it with the black eyeliner as well.
Morning come. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go home. Live 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch. Daylight come and me want go home. 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch. Daylight come and me want go home. Day is a day, oh. Daylight come and me want go home. Day is a day, is a day, is a day.
I think we're good to go, but wait. I think we're still missing a little something.
Alright, banana.
Let's fix that. Now that's a lot better. I do believe that we are the ghostess with the mostest. So right about now I had finished filming everything and I was just playing around, having a good old time, getting into character because I did film some TikToks after this. So yeah, we're pretty much done here. Alright, so this is the end of the video. This is the complete look. I hope you guys love it. Not like it, love it. If you did love it, give it 2 thumbs up. If you didn't like this video for some reason, I don't know why you would, but if you didn't like it, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications to know when I upload. I upload every week, and I hope to see you ghouls and creeps next time.